This is Honor 200 Lite, and today I will share a few quick advices on how to prevent and fix overheating problems on this device. So to start, I will come up with two advices on how to prevent overheating. So first, do not overexpose your phone to the direct sunlight, and second, try to restrain yourself from fast charging the phone. If possible, resort to slower charging speeds. This way, you will. The drawback is obvious. You will need to wait longer for the phone to charge, but on the flip side, the chance of overheating will be significantly reduced. What you can also do is launch settings, enter the battery category, and here switch on the power saving mode. You can also go into the more battery settings and switch on the smart charge feature and smart battery capacity. Those options will also kind of optimize your battery performance, hence will once again reduce the overheating chance, or reduce the chance of the overheating occurrence, whatever. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So if you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.